How to stay youthful and healthy after 30. Tips for women. Ladies, turning 30 is just the beginning of a beautiful chapter. Want to stay youthful, healthy, and glowing? Let's dive into 7 simple but powerful tips. Tip 1. Eat for energy. Fuel your body with colorful veggies, fruits, lean proteins, and healthy fats. And yes, water is your best friend. Tip 2. Move every day. Walk, dance, stretch, lift, keep your body moving and your heart happy. Tip 3. Sleep like a queen. Quality sleep restores your body, boosts your mood, and slows aging. Tip 4. Protect your skin. Cleanse, moisturize, and always wear sunscreen, even indoors. Tip 5. Calm your mind. Less stress means more glow. Try deep breathing, journaling, or a quiet cup of tea. Tip 6. Check in with your body. Regular health checkups and vitamins can keep your hormones and energy in check. Tip 7. Love yourself first. Confidence, joy, and self-care are the real secrets to staying young at heart. Outro. Age is just a number. With care and love, every year gets more beautiful. Follow for more women's wellness tips. Subscribe, like, comment. Thank you for watching.